In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resell on Facebook Marketplace with a full listing tutorial. Whether you're a seasoned seller or just starting out, this platform is a great way to reach a wide audience. So let's dive right in. First, open your browser and navigate to Facebook. Once you've logged into your account, look at the left-hand side of your homepage. You'll see an option labeled See More. Click on it to reveal more features that Facebook offers. Among these features, you'll find Marketplace. Go ahead and click on that. Welcome to Facebook Marketplace, where countless buying, selling, and trading opportunities await. Now, let's move on to creating your listing. On the Marketplace page, you'll see an option to Create New Listing. Clicking on this will take you to the starting point of crafting your listing. This is where the magic really begins. Facebook will prompt you to choose a listing type. Typically, there are options like items for sale, vehicles, or property for rent, among others. Select the one that best fits what you're planning to sell. Once you've chosen your listing type, you'll be guided to add photos. Remember, a picture is worth 1,000 words, so clear, well-lit images can significantly enhance your chances of selling quickly. Click Add Photos and upload the images you've prepared. Make sure your product photos are high quality, showcasing different angles and any important details. Next, it's time to catch buyers' attention with the title of your listing. Insert a concise yet descriptive title that makes your product stand out. Following this, set the price. Consider researching similar items on Facebook Marketplace to gauge a competitive price point. You're then going to choose a category that best matches your item. This step is crucial because it helps potential buyers find your item more easily. After selecting the category, decide on the condition of the product. Options typically range from new to used, good, among others. Being honest about the condition helps build trust and facilitates a smoother transaction. Now, let's talk about writing a compelling description. Use this space to mention key features, any defects, dimensions, or any other details that you believe will help sell your product. Adding tags related to your item can also enhance the visibility of your listing by making it easier to find through search queries. Next, select the location. You might want to choose a location that's convenient for both parties, or if you don't mind traveling a bit, select a broader range to increase visibility. Then specify your delivery method, whether buyers will be picking it up or if you are offering to ship, which adds flexibility and appeal for potential buyers. Finally, review all the information you've entered. Once you're satisfied that everything is accurate and appealing, hit Next, then Publish. Congratulations, your product is now live on Facebook Marketplace. And that's it. Simple yet effective. Good luck with your sales, and thanks for joining me in this tutorial. If you found this helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with friends looking to make the most out of Facebook Marketplace.